Now suppose we want to perform some multiplication and division of functions for specific values of x. For instance, if we're given two functions, maybe we want to find the product of those two functions for an x value of 0, or maybe an x value of -1. So what I'll do is I'll first go ahead and I'll find what this product is for just f dot g of x, and then after I've found that, I'll go ahead and sub those values in for x. So we know that f dot g of x is the same as f of x times g of x. So let's find this, and we know that that just takes 6x minus 5, and it's going to multiply to it a 3x squared minus 2x minus 1. So there's some definite FOIL that's going to happen. And I'm going to start by multiplying the 6x from my binomial to each term in the trinomial. So 6x times 3x squared is an 18x squared. Then I have 6x times a -2x. I'm going to get minus 12x squared. And yes, I noticed my mistake here with my cube. I need a cube. So this is actually 18x cubed, not squared. So we've got an 18x cubed, we've got a minus 12x squared, and then we have a minus 6x. Now let's go ahead and take the 5 from our binomial to each term in the trinomial. That's going to give me a minus 15x. This one will be squared, since 5 is just a constant. Then I have plus 10. My eraser popped on. Okay, plus 10x, and then plus 5. We can clean this up now, and we've got a single x cubed term, or we only have 18 of them, but we don't have any combining of cubes, so we'll just have 18x cubed. I can combine my minus 12x squared with a minus 15x squared to get a minus 27x squared. Combining just the x's gives me a positive 4x, and I still have plus 5. So this is the product for the function f and g. Now let's go ahead and evaluate that. We've got f of g, let's write it as f of x times g of x equals this here. Now, if I want f of 0 times g of 0, I'm just going to substitute into x 0. So here's a 0. Everywhere I see an x, we know that it's just going to cancel out these terms because it's 0 and just give me 5. What about -1? What about f of -1 times g of -1? Well, this is 18 times -1 cubed minus 27 times -1 squared plus 4 times -1 plus 5. So we know that this becomes a -18 because the -1 cubed is just -1. And then here we have minus 27 because when we have our -1 and we square it, it makes this a positive 27, but the minus that was in front kept it negative. Then I have minus 4 plus 5. So when we clean all of this up, we've got a -18. We're going to subtract 27, and then we're going to subtract, let's go ahead and do minus 4 plus 5. Actually, I don't want to confuse. I'm going to clean up in order from left to right. Let's do order of operations from left to right. So what do we get? -18 minus 27 is going to give me a negative 45 minus 4 plus 5. So this is minus 49 plus 5, and this will be minus 44. So that is our f of -1 times g of -1.